Sorry about the hammering behind me. We're talking about stinky cases. Here's this stinky case, and I just wanted to show you. This is like probably the worst case I've ever smelled, like old funk. I couldn't even open it up in my house, and I wanted to share with you some ideas on how to defunk the case. So let's start with Arm & Hammer baking soda. Now you can just take this Arm & Hammer and sprinkle it all over the case and leave it in there overnight, and then just vacuum it out. That's one good way to start. Now I also made up a part water, part white vinegar, and lavender essential oil, and I'll get to that in a minute, but just a few drops of the essential oil in there. Now this is about half water and half vinegar, about half equal parts water and vinegar, and then just a few drops of lavender in there. Really good, and I've just been spraying this every day. Alright, I've left this case out for now 10 days under cover, and it still stinks like, you know, old case, but it's not just horrible. And you can just spray this in here. Oops, it's not even working. Oh, I wanted to show that to you. Anyway, you get the idea. You can just spray that in there every day, and then let get it in the sun if you can, and the sun will really be a really good part of getting the funk out. So, and I figured now that it has 1 day outside per 10 years or so. So it definitely needed. Also, you can make like a little, I use this Dr. Bronners, hopefully you can see that. This is biodegradable sal suds, and this is super concentrated, so you don't need very much of this. And you can make another little solution and just kind of scrub out the case with, you know, warm water and some soap. This is just soap. And then I wanted to show you the Arocacia. This is what I use for the, hopefully you can see this, it's not too bright. There it is. This is made by Arocacia. This is the lavender essential oil that I was talking about, and I really like this company. We've used their stuff for years, and do not skimp out and buy cheap essential oil. You make sure that you get something really nice, really good, and this company is really excellent. They're not paying me to say that or anything. And that is some ways of getting the funk out. Hope you all are having a great day. Beautiful here in Seattle. Cheers.